So if you see go to the booking list, you see that there was a cost of 900 pesos on the network, and it has been capitalized to your asset under construction to AUC. Entire cost has moved to AUC. Weighted. Okay.
Can you go back to the settlement? Charlie?
Settlement.
Yeah. Let's show them the accounting documents for finance appreciation. Yeah.
It has settled to these accounts.
Ms. Jack or anyone from finance?
Yes po. Ano yun?
And that's the settlement, ma'am, yung from network WBS to the AUC. And Johnny just showed us. So in this report, CJI3, you can see the settlement coming from the network, going to your WBS, and then going to your asset under construction.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay na po, ma'am?
Okay.
Okay.
That was the entire process flow we would like to show today. Any questions so far? So we saw the planning the project, we saw the planning the budget, we saw the release of the project, we saw how PR is auto-generated, and we do the good receipt, we do some access on the project, and we settle the WBS 20s. Any questions so far?
Do we do a roll call? ACMC, are you okay?
Di pa nila ma-absorb yan, Jing,
Okay.
dahil wala pang actual.
Actually,
mas
hindi,
more
tinatanong
question
ko
yan
lang,
pag
ACMC,
meron.
is it represented here? Just so that we would know. Is ACMC represented here? Mag-hands up. Okay. Sino yung nag-thumbs up? BMDC. Oy, si Kenneth, may tanong. Okay. I think Kenneth has a question.
Yeah, go ahead, Sir Kenneth. Sir Kenneth.
Or napindot lang. Okay. Nice chat ba? Wala. Sige. ACMC, BMDC, Estate Water is here. Okay. CBCI. CBCI, there is. Sir Nick.
Yes, ma'am.
CMWD. Okay. BIWC. Oh no, there's no BIWC. Sige. Is there a BWC here? Boracay. Sunset na. Okay. Clark is here. Calasiao. No Calasiao.
Present, ma'am. Present
Okay,
po.
thank you, sir. Sir Ruel is here. South Luzon. Okay, so it seems that Boracay? Just Boracay. I don't know if somebody attended on the earlier part. Okay, so just Boracay. Are we closing? Anjali? Wow, this is early.
Yes, yes. So we have completed the entire process flow. We were expecting more questions, as it would have been the first time for the NUZ.
Because the first one are using the system. So we're expecting.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for attending the
Thank you.
session.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
This is the program. And the program.